Today I'm heading out for a hike to Lyn Y Fan Fark in Wales. I've just arrived and parked my car, and now it's time to start the hike. As usual, before I set off, I always make sure to save my starting location on Google Maps. It's a small thing, but it's really useful, especially when I'm hiking somewhere new. The weather today is beautiful. It's a full sunny day, but honestly, it's a little too hot for me. Still, I'm here now, so there's no turning back. I've got my bag ready, the camera is ready, and it's time to start the hike. As I made my way up, I started seeing sheep everywhere on both sides of the trail. Some of them were just quietly enjoying the grass, while others were wandering around and doing their own thing. One little sheep caught my attention. It stopped, looked straight at me, and just kept staring. I'm not sure what it was trying to say. Maybe it was saying hello, or maybe just welcoming me to the mountain. Either way, it definitely made the hike a little more interesting. After about 30 to 40 minutes of hiking, I finally reached around the halfway point. And this is where the views started to get really amazing. The mountains opened up in front of me, and honestly, it was such a beautiful sight. The sunny weather made everything look even better. I had to stop for a moment, take a breath, and enjoy the view, but I still had a long way to go. After another 15 minutes of hiking, I finally reached the lake. And honestly, this was the moment I was waiting for. The view was absolutely amazing. The calm water, the huge mountains all around it, and the open landscape made it feel like I had stepped into another world. I spent a little time taking in the view, but then it was time for my favorite part: flying the drone. I always love this moment because when the drone goes up, you get to see everything from a completely different perspective. I flew around the lake, following the shoreline and getting closer to the mountains. From above, you can really see how the lake sits right in the middle of these huge mountain walls. Looking down at the water and flying between the mountains honestly made me feel like an eagle up here. This is one of the reasons I love combining hiking with drone flying. You walk all this way to reach a beautiful place, and then you get to experience it from the air as well. The view was too good to just fly past it, so I brought the drone closer, found the perfect angle. Let's take a picture. After getting a few nice shots, I brought the drone back down, and now it's time to head back. finishing my drone flight, I started making my way back down, and along the way, I kept seeing more sheep and horses. Some of the sheep were drinking water from the little streams, while others were relaxing in the shade. The horses were also enjoying the water and the peaceful surroundings. It was such a calm and beautiful way to finish the hike. After that, I continued all the way back to my car and started my journey home. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more hikes, nature and drone adventures like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like and share the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.